So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 10 to 3 and drove from Weston to Wales. And here we are in Triets Field. The sun is shining in the sun again. And we are ready for an awesome day at the waterfalls again.
Yay!
Let's do this thing.
As you can see, Jed and Callie have joined us for this early morning photograph. John, you've been here before, haven't you, Jed?
Yes, I have. It's very nice.
We tried to get him to jump, but he wasn't having none of it.
None of it today either.
Are you a jumper, Callie?
Okay.
Oh, well, there you go.
We'll
The sun
see.
comes out, we'll see.
Tune in.
See.
Jed's having a beer at 7 in the morning.
Hey.
Oh, is that a beer in your hand there at 7:30 in the morning,
I'm on
Jed?
holiday.
Oh, I'm on holiday. It's holiday rules apply. So
somewhere.
it's, yeah, exactly. It is 5 o'clock somewhere, mate. That's a good point. We'll take that.
Welcome to the waterfalls. Enjoy.
So we've had a quick fly around with the drone. Got some lovely shots of the first waterfall. And I'm going to take you guys right the way down next to the water when I can get down there. How are you guys getting on? It's a bit slippy slidey, isn't it?
I'm going to accept the fate that I'm going to fall.
Nah, you'll be right, mate. So we're done at the first waterfall and we've been and visited the bridge and sent the drone round, got some lovely shots as you've probably seen. We're off back up to the campsite to grab a quick coffee and then we're going to come back down in our wetsuits and go and do some jumps. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
I'm going in my trunks.
So me and Neil are going to head on down to the waterfalls now and go and have a little look around. And Jedla is going to wait for Stu and Dom.
I can't wait to see you jump, bruv. I can't wait to see you jump. I want to get you on the water today, jumping.
I will.
Excited for today.
Neil's half wetsuited.
He's pumped.
I'm half wetsuited. And the sun is trying to come out. So yeah, let's head on down and see what's happening.
These steps lead down to this viewpoint. Look at that. Now that is definitely what we've come to enjoy. And this is what we call the Baitway. Oh. It's pad already, look. Oh mate, honestly, this is the baitest way ever. One slip there and you're done. From the water's edge, 90 feet, 80 feet.
Oh, that's nothing, is it? I won't want to fall because it sucks. Here we are, going down the bait route once again.
You know, this is probably about as close as you're going to get to a live waterfall.
Maybe this way. What about that place?
Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I do love this place. Let's go and get introduced to one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen. locally known by us as the bait jump. If you over jump it, there's a ledge and you can break your legs. We're going to miss that one today because there's been recent problems there, and I think there's some rocks that have fallen in. So on to the next waterfall. Go on, Jed, you know you want it, mate.
No, I do.
Go on, Jed, it's only 25 feet. You've got this. Go on, Jed. Go on, guys, go for it. Go on, after 3, ready? Don't be a chicken. Oh, he's coming! I love it when he gives it the cold swim. Not a bad effort. What's that? 18 inches tall, and then you cast your eyes and look at that one just there.
Ready?
Yeah.
So that's all of us done at the waterfalls for today. Everybody's been for a nice swim. We're lucky enough that the sun finally came out. Just like to say thanks to Treehead for letting us park in his field for the day. And that's it. Back to Weston-super-Mare. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, give us a little like, and if you get the time, give us a little comment. And we'll catch you guys next time.